Hello, Python Web Conference 2023. Today, I'm joined by a very special guest. He's one of our speakers at Python Web Conference this year, but not like our typical speakers. Actually, Justin, I want to let you give a quick little introduction to yourself.
Yeah, I am Justin McCammon. I'm the director of data engineering at a place called EnergyHub, where we help decarbonize the electric grid.
That's awesome. What can folks expect from your talk this year?
Yeah, I think you can expect my talk to make you want to go get a job in climate. That's my goal, is to help get the next million people working in climate and just kind of break down the barriers that I think a lot of people, including myself, perceive there to be before I started working here. And that's what I'm trying to get at with sort of the overall title of my talk. We need people working in climate exactly like all of you listening to this right now. You don't have to you don't have to be Al Gore and stand up and give the full like science lecture or anything like that about climate change and understand, the detailed things. Like we need people who can build websites, who know how to work with data, who do a lot of the things that, all of you do day in, day out. We just need you all to be doing that in service of climate. And I want to kind of, pull back the curtain and let people know it's not just the hard sciences over here, and that there's a place for everyone.
That's super exciting to hear that there's so much opportunity there. You'll be joining us this week or that week for Python Web Conference. What are you looking forward to during the conference for yourself?
Yeah, when I look at the speaker lineup, there was people there that like the writer of Two Scoops of Django is
Oh yeah,
Daniel Roy
Daniel.
Greenfield.
Yes.
Yeah. Early in my career, I remember reading that book, and it was a huge help to me. And then as I was looking at sort of the fellow speakers, I was like, oh, I know that name. That's cool. And just getting energized around like what's going on in the overall Python world today. That's something that I used to keep really close tabs on, and I kind of like have like looked away a little bit recently, and I'm excited to like see what's been going on since I've kind of looked away.
Well, Justin, thank you so much for being with us for Python Web Conference. We look forward to seeing you just in a couple weeks here for March 13th to the 17th. So we'll see you then.